5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We back charge. 5, 6, 7. Make sure we're to the left. So now I'm going to be giving her 1.5 right. I'm going to connect on 1. Both hands start going over the head on 2. Guys are going to pike on 3. So now on 5, I'm going to be facing her, bringing the right hand down. 5, rotating under, twisting my body. I'm going to be dropping the hand. 6, it's not going to be going on top of my other hand. It's going to be going to the other side. 6, 7, as I start a right turn. So now on 1, I'm going to be facing the other way completely. 1, both hands are up. So now with my right hand, I need to do a rotation to stop her on 2, to tell her that she's staying there. So now on 3, I'm going to pike again, leaving the left hand to my right shoulder. 3, flick the right hand behind the back. 5, catch with the left hand on 6, 7. We're to the right side of the slot. So now I'm going to be giving her an inside turn, open up on 1, bring her forward 2, unwind on 3, back charge 5, 6, 7. The left hand should be on top. So now we're going to be giving her a Copa. We're going to be bringing the hands down on 1. So they're going down, 1. Now the right hand is going to start meeting the left hand on 2. As I hook behind, we go back to back on 3. Guys, do a right turn, 5, leaving the left hand down, 6, 7. So now we're going to be giving her a right turn. As I go 1, I'm going to start going over the head to the right. 2, guys, turn back to the left. 3, follow her and drape. 5, 6, 7. Another inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 360. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to cross this other side on 1. We're going to turn to the right on 2, 2. Stay here, so feet together on 3. Back for the basic. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a walk through 1.5 left. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Copa. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And another walk through 1.5 left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 360. Pump back on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up, guys? It's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.